Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to clear cache on Vivo Y200 to free up space. If you're using Vivo Y200 and you want to clear cache to free up your space, so let's see how can I do this. For this, you just have to install third-party app because it's very frustrating to clear cache files of every app one by one. So you just need to install third-party app. Just go to Play Store and here go to search bar and you just need to search for third party app with the CC cleaner. I have already set for this. Just tap on it and it will be open. You just need to install this app. You have to tap on open after the installation. Here it will scan your device and it will give you a result just like this. Here you can see I have already used 46% of my space and here I have remaining 69.5 GB free space. So after using this app, your space will be free of. So that's how you can easily clear cache on your Vivo Y03G phone and you can easily clear off your space. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.